Let's explore how the National Center on Intensive Intervention, or NCII's, website resources can be used for finding and selecting evidence-based interventions. The NCII website includes a number of resources, including tools charts in the areas of academic and behavioral screening, progress monitoring, and intervention. Today, we will look at the Academic Interventions Tool Chart, which informs users of the evidence available for instructional practices and interventions. We select Academic Intervention Chart. The chart has many navigation features. A legend is available at the top, and that includes a link to additional chart resources. You can filter on the chart for subject and grade. You can also print the current chart if desired. Scrolling down to the chart itself, we see that it provides information across 4 tabs: quality of design and results, quality of other indicators, intensity, and additional research. Clicking on each tab slides the columns to reveal those corresponding to the tab selected. Each row in the chart represents a single study that the center reviewed, which is why you may see an intervention or strategy appear more than one time and receive different ratings. Each program has a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10 studies displayed on the chart. You should consider all studies on a specific program when determining that program's evidence base. We can compare studies by selecting studies of interest on the left side and then selecting Compare Tools, which will take you to a chart that only has those studies selected. Use Reset Chart to restore the full list of studies. The Quality, Design, and Results tab provides information on the study design, targeted and broader mean effect sizes or outcomes, disaggregated data and results, and for single case design studies, visual analysis. Clicking on each heading will reveal information about the ratings found in that column. Clicking on a bubble or cell reveals the actual evidence on which the rating was determined for that study. The study design ratings reflect an assessment of the quality and technical rigor of the research study. This does not say anything about the results of the study and/or present any assessment of whether the study provided evidence of program effectiveness. Study design is important because any flaws in the study design could potentially over or underestimate the program effectiveness. Information on the reported program effectiveness can be found in the mean effect size and disaggregated effect size columns. The effect size, or ES on the chart, represents the magnitude of the relationship between participating in a particular intervention and an outcome of interest. In plain speak, this is where we find information about which specific and broader needs the intervention is intended to address and whether or not the study showed the intended impact. The larger the effect size, the greater the impact that participating in the intervention had on the outcome. In addition, the chart notes effect sizes that are statistically significant. These are considered to have a higher impact than effect sizes of the same magnitude that are not significant. Furthermore, positive effect sizes indicate that participating in the intervention led to improvement in performance on the outcome measure that exceeded the improvement made in the comparison group not receiving the intervention. The disaggregated effect size data available column indicates whether outcome data have been disaggregated for demographic subgroups and for students below the 20th percentile. The demographic subgroups may include students with disabilities, English language learners, also known as multilingual learners, and students of different racial or ethnic groups. You can click on the cell to see the disaggregated data. This will help you see the effect sizes for students like yours. It is important to evaluate information on study results and study design together. The Quality of Other Indicators tab provides additional information about the study design and outcomes.